Chronic diseases affect 1/3 of the global population and contribute to over 70% of all lives lost. 4 out of 5 deaths due to chronic disease are in low and middle-income countries. COVID-19 has only made things worse. Chronic disease patients are more likely to suffer from COVID, just as global health resources are being diverted to managing the pandemic.
Saathealth was conceived with a simple goal in mind. Let's empower health consumers so they can participate in their own health journey. With this, we can unlock 7 billion people around the world in our quest for healthier communities. Imagine, what if every patient could participate in the management or prevention of their own diabetes, hypertension, or other chronic diseases? Power.ai is a digital, gamified, personalized platform that guides health consumers towards preventive health outcomes. Intelligentsia is a suite of AI algorithms that allow us to predict user churn on digital platforms and to make AI-powered recommendations to guide users towards better health outcomes.
More than 100,000 parents in India have used the Saathealth platform to improve their children's health. Our work has been published in some of the leading global journals.
We are now bringing our solutions to health consumers across therapeutic areas to make our vision of a healthier world a reality.